Hello guys, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Family chef here. I have my ice cream here. Oh sorry, yogurt. Okay, we are going to make yogurt ice cream. You can use your plain yogurt. This is kind of a little fruit. It has fruit in. All right, and I'm going to add more fruit. You can use plain Greek yogurt. I have my papaya here. I have my grapes and strawberry. You can use any fruit your choice. Okay, I washed everything already. Today is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Family Chef. Nice to meet you. What we are going to do is just take your yogurt out like this. We are going to mix the fruit with it. If it's plain yogurt, it will be white. But because this have a little fruit in, it's colorful. All right. Okay, now we have our yogurt here. Let's cut our fruit. Let's put yogurt aside and cut the fruit. Cut it in small pieces. Let's get a chopping board. Please cut it small pieces because the container is too small. So if you don't cut it into pieces, small pieces, it won't fit. Okay, we cut the strawberry and the grapes. We only need small piece of the papaya or pawpaw. Take the seed out. Okay. You can use any fruit your choice, banana, apples. So let's cut this to small pieces too. The idea that we are cutting in small pieces, we want the fruit to fit in this cup. So if you are doing it in a big cup, you can cut your fruit a little bigger. This is going to my mouth. Okay. It's all done. Let's mix it together. The papaya, strawberry, and grapes. Okay, now let's grab our yogurt. All right. The idea is you are filling the yogurt with this beautiful, colorful fruit, so it will be more healthier. See how it goes. Now this is going back here. Okay, now you can tell our fruit and the yogurt has mixed. Put it aside. Let's bring the empty container. Before we put in the container, we are going to put the cover of the yogurt and make a hole with it. See, I did make a hole so the stick will go in like this. All right, I'll show you another way. You hold it tight like that then you run your knife through like that, and you stick your popsicle in there. Okay, so let's take it off now that we finished making the hole. The yogurt is going back to this because a lot of people like yogurt. One of my nephew, my niece, she loves yogurt, but she doesn't like it when it's soft like this. She like it like ice cream. When you make ice cream of it, she will eat all of it. And when it's like that, she thinks it's mush, so she won't touch it. Now we are going to put our popsicle back like this. And stick them in the freezer. Is it not amazing, simple recipe? If today is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Family Chef. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for me, okay? God will bless you. Right, now let's cover it, stick it in the middle like that. So I'm going to continue to finish all four of them. Okay, now we are finished. It's all going to go in a freezer until it becomes ice. Okay, some reason if you didn't buy, I'm sorry, I live in an airport, so airplane is passing by. Some reason if you didn't buy the Activia individual little one like this, and you bought a whole jar or a big jar, you can use your cups, any plastic cups, and fill it in. All you need is your fruit and your sticks. Okay, you can use any cup your choice, like this cup. If you have little cups like this, you can fill it in with your fruit and use saran wrap to wrap it and make a hole and stick your stick on it. Okay, but it happened to be I bought this individual, so I can still use the container that come from. Can still use the container that come with it. So this is going to the freezer for overnight or 6 to 8 hours. Then it become ice cream. Yogurt ice cream, the best. So I'll see you in a couple of hours, okay? If it shows up in the ice, and it's gonna look so good and amazing and great and healthy because you loaded with your fruit. Instead of ice cream, regular ice cream, you can use your yogurt to load with fruit, then it becomes healthy. Thank you. See you later. Okay, now the ice cream is ready. It's in a freezer for overnight. Oh my goodness gracious. See? Is it not amazing? Let's try the other one. You load it with your fruit. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Just look at that. Is it not amazing? Let's try. Junior, the ice cream is ready. Oh my goodness gracious. It's yogurt. You turn your yogurt into a healthy, beautiful ice cream. Oh, I believe was. You see, you still have the fruit in, and you can save this for next time. You can save this for future use. You don't have to throw it out. Okay, so this is the end of my ice cream. Please if you haven't subscribed for this channel, subscribe this channel for me, okay? And hit the notification bell, so anytime I post the video, you'll be the first to watch. Forgive me, I live close to airport, so anytime the airplane pass, you hear the noise. It have papaya, it has strawberry, it has pineapple, and good stuff. Isn't that amazing? I'm going to freeze the rest because I can't finish it. People don't like to eat ice cream yogurt like that because they think it's mush. So you can turn a yogurt into ice cream so you can take it out to the park. If you don't want to take a whole thing, like a whole yogurt out, you can turn it to ice cream like this. The children will take it to the park. So healthy and amazing. This is the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your support. I always say, don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family Chef. Next time, I will bring more video. Bye-bye.